Today, we're diving into Peeth Network. Is this the Oracle powering DeFi future? This project's been lighting up the crypto space with some massive updates, and I've got the scoop from partnerships to price feeds that could shake things up. Plus, I've analyzed the Peeth token chart, and it's hinting at a breakout with 5 price targets that might just pump your portfolio. Whether you're new to crypto or a seasoned trader, stick with me. I'll break it all down and share an exclusive way to jump in at the end. Let's roll. So, what's the deal with Peeth Network? Imagine oracles as the messengers who bring real-world info, like asset prices, onto the blockchain so DeFi apps can work their magic. Well, Peeth is a rock star in this game. According to DeFi Llama, it's the third biggest oracle out there, locking down over $7.8 billion across 283 protocols and 81 chains. That's a huge deal. Chainlink's still the king with 66% of the market, but Peeth's 6.4% slice shows it's climbing fast. With $7.8 billion secured, it's not just playing around. It's proving itself as a heavyweight. And trust me, that's only the beginning of why people are cooking about this project. Peeth Network's been on a partnership spree, and it's seriously impressive. First up, they teamed up with Equity Block on July 18th. Then, on July 15th, they dropped the K-Hype price feed for Kinetics Hype token. You can stake your hype for K-Hype on HyperEVM. Think of staking like putting your crypto in a piggy bank that pays you back with interest. Pretty cool in my opinion. But wait, there's more. They've rolled out price feeds for Pump token across 100-plus blockchains and ES for Eclipse Foundation, with early adopters like SharpTradeFi jumping in. They've even got USDS, a stablecoin from Sky Ecosystem, keeping things steady on-chain. And here's a wild one. HODL, a Canadian stock from Sol Strategies, is now live on Peeth. Diamond hands, anyone? Plus, their collab with SoNFi lets you trade real-world assets like Apple or Tesla stocks on-chain using ASDR as collateral. No KYC needed. Oh, and the top 5 perpetual futures decentralized exchanges? They're all running on Peeth Network's real-time data. This network's bridging DeFi and traditional finance like it's no big deal. All right, let's talk numbers. My favorite part. I've got a 3-day Peeth USD chart here, and it's loaded with clues. The price is ripping at about 14 cents right now, but it's been on a wild ride. Back in March 2024, it hit its all-time high, then slid down and recovered, touching a key resistance zone in December 2024. That rejection kicked off a descending wedge. Picture a triangle where the price squeezes tighter and tighter, usually hinting at a breakout. In April, boom, it broke upward, but hit a wall at 19 cents, the 236 Fibonacci level. In simple words, Fibonacci's just a fancy way to spot where the price might bounce or stall, based on some math magic from nature. After that hiccup, another wedge formed, and by late June it broke out again, upward. Now it seems to be headed to that original trend line again, right at our first take-profit zone, 26 cents. If it breaks upwards and holds, we could see it climb to 37 cents, 55 cents, 85 cents, and even $1.30. Those are my 5 main targets, based on Fibonacci extensions and past resistance spots. The visible range volume profile, a pink and blue bar on the left side, shows we're in a busy trading zone at 14 cents, so it might chill here a bit before blasting off. Down below, the Heikin-Ashi RSI indicator is perking up from the oversold area. Think of it like a mood meter saying, hey, buyers are waking up. But here's the catch. If we close a week below 9 cents, this trade setup's toast. Still, at 14 cents, Peeth could be a solid long-term grab if you're into the project. Start trailing your stop once we hit those profit zones. Lock in gains and let it ride. So, why does this matter to you? Peeth Network's not just some random project. It's powering the future of DeFi with real-time data for top exchanges and crazy new trading ideas. From staking opportunities to trading Tesla stocks on-chain, it's growing fast, and that chart? It's screaming potential. Whether you're here to learn or to stack sats, Peeth is a name to watch. And if you're itching to get involved, I've got a little gem for you coming up next. From its monster stats on DeFi Llama to partnerships galore and a chart that's got me hyped, Peeth Network's got some serious juice. Did this help you see the bigger picture? Destroy that like button, drop your thoughts below, bullish or bearish on Peeth, and subscribe for more daily alpha if you haven't already. We're all about real value here at Crypto Yield Pro. Now, if you're ready to trade Peeth or cash in on its vibe, here's something special. I'm always looking for opportunities to enrich our community. That's why I'm an affiliate with MEXC, a top exchange with over 10 million users and 1,400 plus coins. Sign up with my referral link in the pinned comment below or scan the QR code on screen. You'll unlock up to $8,000 in rewards. New users, listen up. Stake 300 USDT for 2 days at 600% APR and pocket about $10. Or deposit 100 USDT for trading credits, futures bonuses, and more. You'll get 20% off fees for life, airdrops, and staking up to 50% APR. Perfect for jumping on Peeth Network's action. It's all there through my link, so check it out and let's grow those gains together. Watch my latest videos on Peeth to understand more about the project and see how revolutionary and fundamental this technology is. A short disclaimer here. This video is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. Always do your own research. Stay sharp and keep stacking gains with me. See you tomorrow in the next one.